into tomorrow morning, but so far it's been the roads in just pretty good shape because temperatures are above the freezing mark. I'll show you those just a little bit. Winter weather advisory, I-69 and north, it lasts longer until 4 o'clock tomorrow in the afternoon. All this is in effect right now. The rest of the area is until noon tomorrow. It lasts a little bit longer on the northeast side because the winds will turn off of Lake Huron. Here's what the radar looks like now, and you can see almost all this is snow every now and then, especially on the north side, far north side, up around I-69. Perhaps a few raindrops mix in, but as the temperatures drop just a little bit, things start to change. Right now, we're around or above that freezing mark in most cases. 34 in Port Huron, 32 in Troy. There's Pontiac. It's just dropped to 31, the same as Howell, but 33 in Metro Airport in downtown Detroit. You say, well, that's only a degree or two, but that's all it takes now in terms of the road impacts. If you see, we'll settle down into the upper 20s tonight and be there for several hours, and that starts to change things on the road. So the evening drive, mostly wet, but you got to be smart about the elevated surfaces. Ramps, bridges, overpasses, especially at least a few hours after the sun goes down and things start to cool off a little bit. Those get slippery first. Roads get covered overnight in almost all areas. Not quite as much covering out around and west of US 23. And then tomorrow morning should be slow and slippery for the drive. So this is the one graphic that everybody wants to see. Again, the leftovers on Tuesday will be more concentrated coming in from the northeast. So 4 to 6, Sanilac, Lapeer, and St. Clair counties. Most of Metro Detroit, 2 to 4. You start getting out here around and west of US 23. It'd be kind of hard to get over 2 inches out there just because it's on the very far fringes of the storm. So your forecast turning to all snow as we go along. Light snow this evening, 30 or so at 8 o'clock in Detroit. Cooler to the north and west, 29 overnight. And roads get covered and slippery as we go along through the morning commute tomorrow as well. 34 for a high. That 2 to 4 covers a large part of the metro area in terms of the snow. After that, we get back up to around 40 starting Wednesday, start melting some of this snow. Carolyn, looks